Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to fetch the HTTP status code for the given URL in Python. So first, we are going to import from URL lib request import URL open from URL lib error import URL error and HTTP error. Now we are going to prompt the user to enter the URL. This would be our input. Please enter the URL. We also need to import emoji. If you don't have this on your system, you can use the command pip install emoji. And now we are going to get the response from URL and print the status code and corresponding emoji and message. So first we are going to use the Dropbox and we are going to open the URL. So that will be URL open and get the response. And we are going to pass in the URL. And in case of success, we are going to print the success status code and thumbs up emoji. So we need to print status code. And we are going to convert the response code to string. B. And use emojis. Emojis. And we are going to print the thumbs up. And print the message. Request successful. And print the response reason. And if there is a exception, we are going to catch that and print the error message. For the HTTP error, as error. If there is a request failure, we are going to print HTTP error status code and thumbs down emoji. So this will be as code and convert the error code to string and emoji guys, and we are going to use the thumbs down and the message also. So this would be request failed, and then we are going to print the reason. Error reason. Now we are going to catch the exception for URL error. SE. In case of bad URL or connection failure, we are going to print the error and thumbs down emoji. So this will be status. And yes, code error reason and converting to string. It should be code will just print the emoji to make it just simple. So this will be thumbs down only. So emoji dot. This is thumbs up. You. Now we can run our program. Need to fix the emoji spelling. And we need to enter the URL. We get the status code 200 and thumbs up. Let's run our program again with some invalid URL. And we get the thumbs down. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel at Simcode. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.